Hello everyone, my name is Sawan Emmanuel and today I will be demonstrating the automation workflow I built in n8n for my assignment. The objectives of this workflow is to fully automate the process of generating and sending a unique motivational quote to a list of recipients every day without any manual intervention. Business and individuals often spend time sending repetitive messages. By automating this process, we can save time while ensuring recipients consistently receive valuable and personalized content. Let me walk you through how the workflow actually works. The workflow actually begins with a particular scheduling trigger node, and it is configured to run automatically every day at 8 a.m. So the workflow will execute without having to click any button. Now, the next is I connect it to a Google Sheet where I manage the list of recipients. This sheet contains the name, email address of everyone who should receive the daily motivation email. And after reiterating the recipient information, the workflow will send a data to an OpenAI node, and I use GPT-4 mini to generate a unique motivational quote. My prompt instructs the AI to create a professional, inspiring, and original quote suitable for a general audience because the AI generates the content dynamically. Each execution produces a different motivational quote. Finally, the generated quote together with the recipient information from Google Sheet is now passes to the Gmail node. This is the Gmail node. It passes to the Gmail node automatically and it sends the email with subject your daily dose of motivation. Now, let me show you the results. Here in my inbox, I actually tested this. Let me refresh the browser so that you won't feel like it's a screenshot. This is titled actually the daily dose of motivation. Straight into inbox, not even in my spam folder. And it is well personalized. This is the name I actually use in my Google Sheet. As you can see, let me show you the Google Sheet here. This is the Google Sheet. As you can see, this is the recipient's name and then this is the recipient's email. Now let's go to the recipient's email. As you can see, that is the name inside my Google Sheet here, right? Now, as you can see that the email was successfully generated and delivered by the workflow. The motivational quote was created by AI and sent automatically. Let me show you another one I sent because I have a lot of lists. I added about almost 5 lists. So if I refresh this particular one, it's coming up. Right. So this is it. The same subject, your daily dose of motivation. And as you can see, the person's name here, well personalized and just sent to the person with regard Trends Park Digital. Right. So let's see all the recipients on this list, and if you check all of them, all of them receive the email were personalized. These were all the recipients I actually added on my list. Their information is stored every day at 8 a.m. The workflow will read the recipient's details from this particular sheet. Once you read the recipient's details from this sheet, it's going to send them to the OpenAI to now generate a fresh motivational quote and then automatically deliver the email through their Gmail. Now, here is the summary of this particular project. The assignments require building an automated workflow that generates AI-powered motivational quotes and deliver them by email daily. My goal was to automate the entire process from recalculating recipients' details, generating a unique AI content to send personalized email automatically. I build the workflow in n8n using a scheduling trigger, Google Sheets, OpenAI, which is GPT-4 mini, and Gmail. Each node performs a specific task, creating a seamless automation pipeline. The workflow executes successful. It generates a unique motivational quote, retrieves the recipients from Google Sheets, and deliver email automatically to my inbox, demonstrating a complete end-to-end automation automation process. This project demonstrates several important automation concepts, including workflow scheduling, AI integration with OpenAI, Google Sheets integration for recipients management, and automated email delivery using Gmail. This project shows how repetitive communication tasks can be completely automated using n8n, allowing business to save time, improve consistency, and deliver personalized content. Thank you for watching my demonstration. Bye.